welcome to the Ify Family channel. As you can see, I'm the mommy of the Ify family. Why me? And where's the others? So,
Here I am.
okay, we are here to unboxing. Okay, this is my second unboxing from the first 2020. Yeah, so here we are. I'm so excited.
Without further ado, we can start to unbox.
Okay, here we go. Pretty excited because it just launched yesterday. So today, the second day of the launch, we just went to LV Boutique at Ion,
Orchard.
and as usual, my essay called me. I'm looking for this bag. Okay, for me, I'm only looking for seasonal bag. Okay, so when I received the call from her, Miss Ying herself from Ion, Singapore, she told me that the bag is here. So, can't you guess what is this latest bag?
Latest seasonal
Yes,
bag.
latest season. Second day in Singapore. So, here we go. Not a big one. Small one. Okay. Do you think that you know what is it inside? Come, let's look what's inside it. Wow. Okay, this is called the Shed Tees from the Wild at Heart collection. Okay. So for me, I'm looking for a smaller bag. So this is how does it open? You have to press, open, and the inside. Okay. So comes with the belt. Okay. As you can see, there's only 2 compartments here. Okay. So another compartment will be behind, which there's a zip here. You can open up the side,
the bottom,
and the bottom. Okay, I'm not sure. Is there? I think there's only one color. If I'm not wrong.
There's only one color.
Yeah, she never tell me there's another color, so I assume there will be only one color here. Okay, so this is how it looks inside, and the leather of the upper strap. So if you just wanna go without the strap, we can just carry this way. So with the strap, we can. So here we go. That's the strap. Okay, so this is one of my 2021 seasonal bag for Shed Tees, and
Not long ago, last year,
year.
she purchased this bag.
So this is one of the 2020 seasonal bag, and this 2021 seasonal bag. So how is my unboxing? It's just simple and short. So this is how it goes, and thank you Ying from Ion
Orchard.
Orchard.
Louis Vuitton.
Yeah. So thank you so much for telling me in advance. First, when the bag just came, she straight away messaged me, and thank you for your service. We love it so much, and thank you for the perfumes which she gave it to us again. And anybody who is interested to come and buy this bag. There's only few inside the Ion boutique. So if you like it, you love it, please come and see my SE, Miss Ying. She's a very good SE. So thank you for watching.
Hope you all like it.
And don't forget to like and also subscribe and also comment if you have anything that you have any feedback or you want to talk to me or talk to us, anything, just let us know. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, that was a good video.
Nice video.
That was a good video.
Very nice.
Oh, not like it. I love it. My hubby choosing for me. Which one you like? This one.
This one also similar. This one you have. Same, right?
You think that you want to change later on, then you let me know lah.
Hello. Thank you.
Depends lah.
Can put together?
Itu miss out kan?
Put inside your bag.
Later you don't know which is which.